Our Royal Palms Realty Spotlight is a magnificent waterfront home in the exclusive gated community of Shark Key. This elevated grand home rests on nearly half an acre of waterfront splendor. Here at 35 Sealore Lane, you really can experience luxury waterfront living at its very finest. Inside, you will find dramatic open water views on 3 sides. You have 4 spacious bedrooms, all with ensuite baths, a bonus sleeping loft, soaring vaulted ceilings, and amazing natural light. What more could you want? Other features include a large kitchen, a separate laundry room, covered parking, and plenty of storage under the house. This home is listed by Scott Foreman and Sarah Hallett. This right here is the best part of the home, guys. This outdoor living area is amazing.
It is, and not only do you have this beautiful open water view, the proximity here in Shark Key is great. You're right next to the swimming lagoon, the tennis courts, and the clubhouse.
It's also only 15 minutes away from Key West, so you've got all the restaurants and the shops that are not too far away. And here you can get in a flats boat, you can do kayaking and windsurfing and all the fun water sports.
It's awesome that you have that in your backyard.
Yeah.
Well, if you want to see it for yourself, be sure to contact Scott or Sarah and get in for your own private tour.